Hello my dear friend, today we are going to discuss about the topic preposition. Okay, first we know about the meaning of preposition. It means what is the definition of the preposition, and then we are going to discuss one by one of the preposition word. Okay, so let's come on the topic and we know about the definition of the preposition. Here the preposition, a preposition may be defined as a connecting word. It is the connecting word or relative word. What kind of the word? Connecting word, showing the relation between a noun or pronoun, and it will show the relation between noun and pronoun. Okay, between noun and pronoun or a pronoun and some other word. Okay, it means preposition is a word that show relation. Okay, preposition is a word that show relation between noun, pronoun and some other words. Okay, we can say it preposition like a I am living in the room. Okay, you can see here is the sentence, and in this sentence you can see this word. This word is as a preposition word that show relation between the noun or noun with the other words like the room. The room is the noun word, and this word show the relation with this. It means in the room. It means someone live in a room. Okay. So many of the preposition words you can see here like on, upon, over, in, into, at, by, from, with, over, under, and since, for, etc. are the preposition word. There are many of the word in a preposition. Okay, so we can learn it one by one wherever it is necessary to use of these preposition word. Okay. First, we are talking about the on or upon. Okay, on or upon and over. There are three preposition words: on, upon, or over. Like the book is on the table. The cat jumps upon the table. The horse lies over my head. Okay, you can see here is three sentences. In the first sentence you can see on word, that is the show relation between noun and some other words in a sentence. In the second sentence you can see upon, that this is the preposition word, and in the third over word, it is the also preposition word. Okay, in the first preposition word you can see this word to make, it is the decide to their place. Okay, where is the book is on the table, and this preposition word decide the place. In the second you can see the cat jumps upon the over. When someone has a speed, okay, when someone has a motion, then we can use this preposition word. It is the upon word. Okay, and over, if we had no any surface, and then someone passed through our overhead, then we can use over. Okay, when someone not touched with the surface and fly over or going or pass over our head, then we can use their over. Okay, so on is used in place where the something keep, and upon where we can use it when someone thinks has a motion, and over where someone is not touched by the surface. Okay, it is the use of these preposition word. Next we can use of the preposition word like at, in, and into. At, in, and into. Okay, so listen carefully. Like he lives at Gorakhpur in UP. Okay, the lion fell into the well. I will meet to him at 7 p.m. Okay, so you can see here we can use all these preposition word in a sentence. In the first sentence you can see that he lives at Gorakhpur in UP. If we refer the a large city or large state or large area, then we can use there in. Okay, but when we refer in a small area, then we can use at. Here it means wherever the small area or small city, we can refer to small city, then we can use simply at. And if the area is big or larger, then we can use in that place like in. Okay, and next is the lion fell into the well. If something is have a motion, if some part, which means some noun or pronoun word has a motion, and this motion expressed by the preposition word like into. Here is the lion. Lion where what is the motion of lion? He fell. Wherever he fell into the well. Okay, so in this condition, he fell means he has a motion, and that we can use into. Okay, and we also use in when there is no motion, then we can use the in preposition word like the lion live in a jungle. The lion live in a jungle. In this sentence you can see there is no motion. Okay, and so we can use in if. Why? Because the someone is covered. It means noun or pronoun is covered by the something. Okay, so wherever something is covered by the someone, then we can use also in. Clear? If we want to express the time, okay, we can also use at as the further time, like I will meet to him at 7 p.m. Clear? And we also use by, from, with, under, since and for. Since and for. Since and for. Both are the preposition word expressed for the time, like since is expressed for the point of time, and for is expressed for the period of time. Point of time and period of time means if the time is definite. If the time is definite, then we can use since. Like Rohan has been going to school since morning. Okay, here the time expressed as a definite, so we can use since. If the period of time, it means time is not definite, it means it is the indefinite, then we can use for. Like I have been reading for 2 hours. I have reading a book for 2 hours. So wherever the time is indefinite, so we can use for preposition. Okay, so I hope you are understand this preposition word, and I have no more time, but these are the important preposition word, and I hope you all understand this preposition word. So thank you. I will wait for the next video.